Good morning, students. We are doing our lesson number 13, that is sharing our feelings. And in this lesson, we'll learn about family and friends and the relationships among them. Here you can observe this picture. In this picture, you can see different people, and most of the people they are with the disabilities. Means physically they are not fit. So in the first picture, you can see that a lady is sitting on the wheelchair. That means she is not able to walk, and a person is there to help her. In another one also you can see that a child is holding the crutches. That means he is not able to walk properly, but his family people or the friends they are helping him. In another one also you can see the old couple. They are physically weak. The lady is not able to walk properly. So in all the pictures you can see that one or other person is with the physical disability. Some are not able to walk, some are not able to see, or they are not using one of the other organ. So here the family and the friends they help them. So that develops a relationship among them. Here is a picture. In this picture you can see there is a sunglasses and a white stick. The question is, why visually challenged people uses white stick and wear dark sunglasses? So for that the reason is, when a person is wearing dark sunglasses and holding a white stick in his hand, that shows that the person is not able to see. He or she is a blind person. So all over the world, if a person is wearing dark sunglasses and holding a white stick in his hand, that means he is or she is blind. Now the things become different for the visually challenged or physically disabled person. Here is an example showing that this pavement, which is different for the visually challenged people, you can see the dots on the pavement, so that they can easily, by the touching sense, they can easily come to know where they are walking and which way they have to go. Physically challenged people or physically disabled people, they can do their work with the help of their family members or friends, or they can help themselves also. In this picture you can see that a person is not having his hands, but he is painting with the help of his leg. There are other pictures I also want you to see. Here in this picture you can see a person is participating in the games, running race, but as he is physically disabled, so he is using special, you can say, machine for, or you can say the special type of you can say wheelchair to participate in the race. Similarly, here you can see a person is using his legs, foot you can say, to write. He is not having his hands, but he is writing with his foot, holding the pen between the toes, and writing without anybody's help. Here you can see the letters of the Braille script. In this picture you can see that the physical disability does not stop the people to do their favorite things. Like these people, they all are physically disabled, but they are participating in the games, and these kind of games for the specially physically disabled people is called Paralympic games. Here you can see they are playing the basketball. So any kind of disability cannot stop anybody to do their favorite things or to do their day-to-day life with the help of their family members, friends, or by helping themselves itself. They can do their different works. So I hope all of you have understood the relationships among the family members and what sense organs are important for us, and the importance of our different organs. So I hope all of you will be able to do the worksheet which I'm going to send you after this. Thank you and have a nice day. Stay safe.